Hi, my name is Rizwan Naim. Welcome to Bizistech official video channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to tell you how to optimize your listing from backend. So let's start our topic. Let's move towards Seller Central account. First of all, log in your Seller Central account. Then click Manage Inventory from Inventory tab. It is showing your inventory. Then select your inventory which you want to optimize from backend. Like I am selecting the inventory such as this. I am going to click edit. We are showing 8 different tabs. We are going to discuss it. First of all, click vital info. We are going to discuss those points which are important for optimization. Because of lack of time, we are not discussing all the points. We are going to discuss those points which are very important for optimization. First of all, there is a brand name. In brand, this is also called title. First of all, we have mentioned the brand name in title. Then we can add some keywords, we can add some benefits in this title. But we have a limitation. We cannot exceed more than 200 characters with space. Then in brand name we can mention the name of brand. In manufacturer we can mention the name of manufacturer. We can select the category right here, click edit button. We can mention the width right here. We can mention the height. If you know information like size map, color map, then it is good. You have to fill all the necessary, but it is not required. Let's move toward next, and next is variation. My product doesn't have any variation, so if your product has variation, then you can choose right here. You can edit and save it, but my product doesn't have any variation, then I can move forward. And the next is offers. In offers, standard prices, sale prices, and their dates. It is the important. Standard prices are considered as highest prices which we are mentioned, and the sale prices are the lowest prices. There is a combination. The sale prices are directly connected with these dates. If the dates are expired, the sale prices are automatically expired. After the date, the standard prices has shown. The next is condition. Our product is new, then we have added new condition. Select this cell according to your requirement. It is good to fulfill these cell, but it is not necessary. Then I am going to next step, and that is compliance. If your product is battery related, such as electronic toys or electronic games, then it is required that you have such a documentation, and you got those documentation from your supplier. All these documents are fill these tabs. My product doesn't have any battery related. My product is not electronic, so it is not necessary for me. Then I am going to next, and that is images. Images is most important. Amazon has recommended us and guide us about images. The main images must have a white background, and our product has covered almost 85% in main image. We cannot use our personal identity such as email, our personal number in pictures. The pictures must have quality of 1000 by 1000 pixels. I have knowledge of many more, but due to lack of time, I have to discuss other things, then move towards description. In description, we have a limitation of 2000 characters, but 2000 characters are enough. We can elaborate more about our product. We can add extra features. We can mention hidden features. We can write benefits and explain about our product in product descriptions. Key product features. This is also called a bullet point. Generally, the Amazon has allowed 5 bullet point, but in some rare cases, Amazon has allowed us more. In bullet point, we can write some. We can add some keywords for better ranking. There is also a limitation in bullet point. We cannot exceed more than 500 in one bullet. We can write 5 bullets, so we can write 500 characters in each bullet point. CPSIA warning. If you want to add precautions, then click on this cell and select like this shown, choking hazard balloon. Select any of these if you have precautionary measure. Our product doesn't have any precautionary measure, so I am not selecting any of these. The next step is keywords. Search terms. Search terms are the strings of keywords that shoppers types into the Amazon for finding a product. Search terms is also called backend search terms. This is because search terms are hidden in the backend of Amazon, backend of listings. So moving toward next is more details. In more detail, it is the main cells are item display weight, item display dimension, package dimensions. It is good if you entered the information in these cells, but it is not necessary. You can skip these cells as well. Then go to save and finish. It will take 15 minutes to 24 hours for optimization. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any question, then write in inbox in below, and continuously watching our video. Thank you so much.